No matter what the Australian climate is doing outside, Actron Air can give you the ultimate solution in climate control inside with ESP Ultima. At different times of the day, different parts of the house get hotter than others. What's more, different people prefer different temperatures. With all the energy savings of ESP Plus, ESP Ultima lets you control different temperatures in different zones all at the same time. ESP Ultima customises your comfort by dividing your home into up to 8 zones. So whether it's a rumpus room, a hot kitchen, or a relaxed living area, ESP Ultima's individual zone controls let you set the temperature you choose and deliver the ideal environment for any activity.
Perfect.
The air conditioner built for Australian conditions can give you different temperatures in different rooms all at the same time.
Cool.
Actron Air. It's Australian for air conditioning.